Today's topic is measurement of matter. Many properties of matter are quantitative in nature. Measurement, that is mosmap. Properties of matter are quantitative. Quantitative means quantity. मॅटरची प्रॉपर्टी आपण काउंट करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मास, दॅट इज वुडन ब्लॉक ऑफ 10 kg. तुमच्यासमोर एक वुडन ब्लॉक आहे, that is mass is 10 kg. The 10 is equal to number is quantity, and kg denotes kilogram. Kilogram is unit, the unit which measure mass of wooden block. आता या वुडन ब्लॉकचं मास आपण इंडियामध्ये जरी चेक केलं तर दॅट इज 10 kg. US जरी चेक केलं तर दॅट इज 10 kg. So the standard quantity is easily reproducible and unchanging. म्हणजे ती फॉर एक्झाम्पल लेंथ घेऊया आपण. लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 5 मीटर. आता लेंथ इज 5 मीटर. 5 मीटर एखाद्या 5 मीटर लेंथ आपल्याला मेजर करायची, ती आपण टेपनी मोजून शकतो. दॅट इज रिप्रोड्युसेबल. आणि हीच लेंथ आपण इंडियामध्ये जरी मेजर केली तर 5 मीटर, US जरी मेजर केली दॅट इज 5 मीटर. दॅट इज अनचेंजिंग. सो इज कॉल्ड ॲज द स्टँडर्ड क्वांटिटी इज इझिली रिप्रोड्युसेबल अँड अनचेंजिंग. Many properties of matter such as mass, length, area, pressure, volume, time, etc. are quantitative nature. Any quantitative measurement is expressed by a number followed by units in which it is measured. Next type is unit. The definition of unit: the arbitrarily decided and universally accepted standards are called unit. Arbitrarily decided, that is randomly decided, but universally accepted standards are called unit. The several systems in which units are expressed such as FPS system, CGS system, MKS system. These are the systems of unit. Definition of unit is very important in chemistry and also physics subject. So system of unit detail discuss करूया. FPS, the system uses the foot, the pound and the second for length, mass and time respectively. This is a British system. In this system, length measured in foot, mass measured in pound and time measured in second. Next, CGS system. The system uses the centimeter, the gram and the second for length, mass and time respectively. In this system, length measured in centimeter, mass measured in gram and time measured in second. Last, MKS system. The system uses the meter, the kilogram and the second for length, mass and time respectively. In this system, length measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram and time measured in second. So the units are easily reproducible and unchanging. It should be universally accepted. And the definition of unit. What is definition of unit? The arbitrarily decided and universally accepted standards are called units. Arbitrarily means randomly decided and universally accepted standards are called units. ही डेफिनेशन तुम्ही पाठ करून ठेवा. डेफिनेशन इज इन केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये सुद्धा आहे आणि फिजिक्समध्ये तुम्हाला ही युनिटची डेफिनेशन दिसेल. Next topic is SI units, International System of Units. This system is accepted all over the world. In 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measure proposed revised metric system called International System of Units, that is SI units. Metric system, that is metric means 10. So metric system was more convenient as it was based on the decimal system. For example, 10 kilometer convert, that is equal to 10 raised to 3 meter. 10 raised to 3 meter. This is a decimal form. It was based on the decimal system. या पद्धतीने जर कन्वर्जन केले तर ते मल्टिप्लाय अँड डिव्हाइड करायला सोपे जाते. म्हणूनच दिस सिस्टीम इज ॲक्सेप्टेड ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड वाईड ॲक्सेप्ट केलेली ही सिस्टीम आहे SI सिस्टीम. SI, that is a French name. System internationally. What is name? System internationally. The SI system was 7 basic units as listed in table. तुमच्यासमोर एक टेबल दिसत असेल. In this table 7 basic units of SI system. These are fundamental scientific quantities. Fundamental scientific quantities. Next point is physical properties. First property is mass and unit. We know that matter has mass. Inherent property of matter is mass. It is measure the quantity of matter a body contains. The mass of body does not vary as its position changes. एखाद्या वस्तूचं तुम्ही मास डिटरमाइन केलं आणि दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जाऊन पुन्हा त्याचं मास डिटरमाइन केलं तर ते चेंज होईल का? नाही. इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट. And other hand, the weight of body is result of the mass and gravitational attraction. The weight of body varies because the gravitational attraction of the earth for a body varies with distance from the center of the earth. Weight is continuously changed because of acceleration due to gravity change. Hence, the mass of body is more fundamental property than its weight. The basic unit of mass in the SI system is kilogram. However, a fractional quantity gram is used for weighing small quantities of chemicals and solutions in the laboratories. Therefore, in terms of gram, it is defined as 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Next physical property is length. Length. In chemistry, we come across length while expressing property such as the atomic radius, bond length, wavelength of electromagnetic radiation, and so on. These quantities are very small. Therefore, fractional unit of SI unit of length are used for example nanometers and picometer. केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये लेंथ फक्त ॲटॉमिक रेडियस, बॉन्ड लेंथ, वेवलेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक रेडिएशन हे मेजर करण्यासाठी यूज केली जाते. बट फिजिक्समध्ये ब्रॉड लेंथ मेजर केली जाते. सो इन केमिस्ट्री fractional unit of SI unit of length is used nanometer and picometer. So today's lecture see physical properties of matter, measurements of matter and remaining physical properties of matter. See in next lecture. Thank you.